Take command of the road in the 2011 Toyota RAV4. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.